Hello, everyone. Are you concerned because you got a warning in your car about washer fluid low? Do not worry so much. You can still drive your car. But it is strongly recommended to refill the washer fluid reservoir as soon as you can. The washer fluid, also called wiper fluid, helps to lubricate the wiper blades and the fluid pump in your car. If you don't use wiper fluid, your wiper blades and your wiper fluid pump may wear prematurely. The fluid can be bought at any supermarket or gas station for a very low price. Refilling the washer fluid reservoir is very easy, and this is how you do it. First, locate the hood release lever near the driver's side panel. Open the hood and locate the washer fluid reservoir. It's usually a white, translucent container with a windshield water symbol on the cap. On this GMC terrain, it is located on the left, in front of the driver's side. Remove the cap. If the fluid is low, carefully pour some into the reservoir until it is about 2 inches from the top. Replace the cap and press down until it pops into place. Then, close the hood. Start the car and verify that the warning sign of washer fluid low is gone. Wait for a few seconds and test the windshield fluid system. Note that if your vehicle has a rear wiper, there may be a second reservoir for it as well. As you can see, it is a very easy 10 minutes job that everyone can do. We hope that you have learned and find this video useful. Please subscribe to keep learning how do you do it all by yourself.